In this video, we'll show you how to download and set up the SmartMesh Tango application on your iOS phone. You need to visit the official website, smartmesh.io/app, to download the iOS version. Click on iOS Download to install the application. Since I have already downloaded the application on my phone, I will not download it again. Open the Tango application and it will show a message to trust this application. You need to go to Settings, go to General, go to Device Management, and you will see Beijing Lingtuan Technology. Click on Trust the application. Once you click on Trust and the application is verified, you can then open the application on your phone. After opening, you have two options. If you already have a user account, you can simply log in. Otherwise, you need to create a new account. Click Sign Up button. Choose a username, for example, test_tango in this case. Set up a user password of your preference. Click on Sign Up. The next step is to create a wallet account for new users, or you can import a wallet account if you already have one. We show how to create a new wallet account. Choose a wallet account username and enter a wallet account password of your preference. Then click on Create Account. Next, you must create a backup of your wallet. Click on Go Backup Now. Enter your wallet account password, which you just created. Next, you will see an ordered list of 12 mnemonic words, which you must save. Keep this sequence in a safe place and do not disclose to anyone. This sequence will be used to recover your wallet account if needed. For this demo, I'm going to take a screenshot to use subsequently. Click on Next and enter the words in the sequence as requested. Click on the Confirm button and then click OK. Once it's confirmed, your wallet account will be created and you will see your wallet on the screen now. You can keep SMT, MLT, Mesh, and other SRC20 cryptocurrencies in this wallet. You can also manage different wallet accounts. You can also create another wallet or import another wallet account and keep multiple wallet accounts here. Thank you.